Good afternoon, my beloved students. Today I'm joined with 4E and we're going to complete our reading. What is the title of our story? Can you remind me, Walid? Huh? Walid.
Yes,
What is the title of our story?
the case of the Gasping garbage.
Gasping garbage. Very good. Now, what is the genre here?
The genre by musical story and
The genre.
Barbara Zone.
Huh? What is
Barbara
it?
Zone.
It's a what?
Realistic fiction is
It's a
about
realistic
people and
fiction.
it
Very good. That
that
means
are
that it can happen in real life or it cannot happen in real life. Huh?
yes,
Yes, it can happen in real life. Very good. Very, very good. Who's the author?
by musical story.
Michelle Turi.
Michel
Very good. So
Turi.
here, the author means what?
Other who do the story.
Who writes the story? Very
The
good.
story.
Who's the illustrator?
Barbara Zone.
Barbara. Very good. What does the illustrator mean?
Who do the pictures?
Yes, who draws the picture?
The picture.
Very good. Who draws the picture? Who are the characters here in this story?
Religion speakers.
The characters who are the characters?
Michael Turi.
The characters, Walid, wake up. Huh? Very good, Yusuf Ahmed. Drake and who? Drake Doyle and who? Huh? Our characters, very good, amazing guys. Doyle and Fossey. Doyle and Fossey. And next page, we will be joined with
Gabby.
Gabby
Talbrin.
Very good, Walid. Thank you very much for that. Zain, I have to ask you some questions.
Hi, Mr.
Now, Zain, why did Gabby called Doyle?
Yes, because she waked up and she saw a monster in her trash.
Very good. See, she saw a monster in her trash. So how is she feeling? Is she happy?
No, she's scared.
She is scared. Amazing. Very good. She is very scared. Now, I have another question for you, Zain. Here, when Gabby called Drake, yes, what did he think of?
He think of something good that if he solves the problem of the monster, he will be famous.
He will be famous. Very good. He will give lectures at the university, right?
Yes.
He will publish his findings in the local newspaper, right?
Yes.
He was so excited. True or false?
True.
Yes, very good. But Faris, thank you, Zain. But Faris.
Yes.
He was so excited, right?
Excited what?
Excited that he has a mystery that he has to solve, right or not?
Right.
But did he show his excitement to Gabby?
No.
No, he didn't show it. So there is a contrast here. What is it? Huh? Huh? There's a contrast. There's a difference. What is it? Faris?
Yes, yes.
Huh? What is the contrast here? What is the difference here? Huh? There is a contrast. Yusuf, can you remind us, please, of that contrast?
Okay.
Huh?
Because he don't because she is a scientist
He's a
and he
scientist.
don't want so he don't want to show his excitement to Gab.
Very good. He was very excited, but he didn't show his excitement. Amazing, amazing, amazing. He was so excited, but he didn't show his excitement. Very good. Because it's a rule of science. It's a rule of science. Very amazing. Very, very good. Very good. Amazing, really. So let's read this. Okay. Thank you, Yusuf. Okay. Everyone listen, please.
He cleared his throat and forced himself to speak calmly. "What makes you think there's a monster?" he asked. "All kinds of weird gasping noises are coming from my garbage can. Something's inside. Hurry, Drake. You have to come over immediately and get rid of it, because if you don't, I'll just have to call James Frisco." "Great Scott," thought Drake, horrified. "Not James Frisco." Frisco was in their 5th grade class at school. Frisco was a competitor. Frisco was a scientist, but he was a bad scientist. A very bad scientist. A mad scientist, you might say. Frisco's business card read,
Here I need Abdurrahman Ismail. Might be Akat Yusuf Ahmed. Huh? It might be. Abdurrahman Ismail.
Yes, mister.
So here there was another character introduced. Who is he?
Polly.
Abdurrahman.
Fresco.
Fresco. Very good. Edit your mic, please. Huh?
It was bad.
Fix it.
Bad, mad, scientist. Better than Dolly and Fossey. Call me day or night. 55/6190.
Okay, Abdurrahman. So another character that was introduced was Fresco. So Fresco was also a what?
Was a mad scientist. Bad mad scientist.
Also a mad scientist? That means that Doyle and Fossey were mad also?
No.
No. Huh?
Witches and hell.
Both were what?
We're bad. We're bad.
Yusuf.
No.
Huh?
Yes, mister.
Yusuf, both Fresco, Doyle, and Fossey were what?
We're scientists.
Amazing, 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 Yusuf. Both were scientists, but this is the comparison, right?
Yes.
Now the contrast between the two is what? Fresco
That
was
Fresco was bad and mad, and Doyle and Fossey were good.
very good, very, very good. Fresco was bad and mad, but Doyle and Fossey were good and reasonable. They think with science. They are not mad. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Abdurrahman Ismail, I recommend that you fix your mic, okay, because I cannot hear you.
Frisco, bad, mad scientist. Better than Doyle and Fossey. Call me, day or night. 555-6190. Why was Frisco such a bad, mad scientist? Because if Frisco didn't like a number, he erased it. Because if an experiment asked for pink, Frisco used blue. Because if an experiment called for 2, Frisco used 1 or 3. But most especially, because if an experiment said adult supervision required or else, Frisco did it anyway, alone.
Fresco did it anyway alone. So Yusuf Ahmed Fathi, that means that Fresco obeys the science rules.
Yes.
Fresco obeys the science rules. He says when you use one, he used one.
No, mister.
No, so he doesn't obey the
Obey.
instructions. Does he apply the instructions?
No.
No, very good. But Doyle and Fossey,
Yes.
yes, they applied the instructions. Very good. Very, very good. That's why Fresco was a bad mad scientist. He was a bad mad
Scientist.
scientist. Amazing, Yusuf. Very, very good. I'm really happy. I'm really proud of you. So we can simply say, Yazan,
Yes.
Fresco is a bad mad scientist, Yusuf Ahmed. So Yazan, we can say that Fresco follows the rules or doesn't follow the rules.
Doesn't follow the rules.
But Doyle and Fossey,
Follow the rules.
this is a contrast or a compare?
Contrast.
Very good. This is a contrast. So can you please tell me the compare and contrast of both of them? Again, Yusuf said it. I need you to say it again. And what you say, I will write. It will be here. So tell me.
The contrast is Fossey and Doyle is a good scientist, but Frisco is mad scientist.
Very good. So let's go here. Good. Good scientist. Bad, mad scientist. Amazing. What else? That's Doyle and Fossey. Doyle and Fossey are good scientists, but Frisco is a bad, mad scientist. What else? But both are what first? Both are what? Yazan. Very good. Both are scientists. But Doyle and Fossey are good scientists. Frisco is a bad, mad scientist. There's another difference. What is it? What is it? You've just said it. Doyle and Fossey follow the rules or do not follow the rules?
Follow the rules.
Very good. So they follow the rules. But Frisco
don't follow the rules.
Doesn't. Very good. Follow the rules. Amazing. So this is our compare and contrast. See, it's so small and it's so amazing. Thank you, Yusuf. Thank you, Yazan. Doyle and Fossey and Frisco are scientists, but Doyle and Fossey are good scientists, unlike Frisco, who is a bad, mad scientist. Doyle and Fossey follow the rules, but on the other hand, Frisco doesn't follow the rules. Did you understand it now? Is it easier? Yazan and Yusuf, is it easier now?
Yes.
Yes, amazing. Thank you very much for your help. You were of a great help, really. Let's complete.
Drake knew that if Gabby hired Frisco, there was no telling what could happen. Knowing Frisco's sloppy scientific techniques, Frisco might let the monster out of the can, and he and Gabby would never be seen again, gobbled in the blink of an eye.
I have a question here, Ghunaim.
Yes, teacher.
What happens if Gabby hired Frisco or called Frisco? What will Frisco do?
He will call. He will call. He will call.
Huh? He will do what? There's a monster in the trash can. What will he do to that monster?
He will see if there is a monster or no.
Very good. He might open the what?
The garbage.
The garbage and the monster. If you open the garbage, where will the monster go? Yum, yum, yum.
Go.
The monster will do what? Yum, 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 yum.
He will eat him.
Very good. He will eat him. And who else?
And he will eat Gabby.
Very good, Ghunaim. Amazing. So he will eat him and eat and eat Gabby. He will not eat Ghunaim. Ghunaim is a good boy. Okay. So he will eat him and he will eat Gabby. Because he is a what?
He are monster.
No, Fisco, because Fisco is a what scientist?
He are
He is bad scientist or a crazy scientist. Very good, Muhammad Taha. Very good. So he is a bad scientist. So he thinks, Drake Doyle thinks that he will release the monster. He will let the monster out of the can and the monster will eat Gabby and Fisco. Let's complete.
Drake, said Gabby. Drake, are you there? I said you have to come over immediately and get rid of it, or else I'll call Frisco. Check. I'll be right there. Click. Drake phoned Nell. She was the most fabulous partner an amateur scientist and detective genius could have. Whenever they had a serious case, Nell dropped everything and reported for duty. Doyle and Fossey, she answered, picking up the phone on its first ring. Drake here. Meet me at Gabby's house right away. Gabby's garbage is gasping.
Gabby's garbage is gasping. Now, here, Yahya. Yahya?
Yes, mister.
Why do you think that Drake called Nell? Drake called Nell. Why? Nell Fossey, his partner. Why?
Because the monster
What?
is not because the monsters is not
I cannot hear you at all.
because the monsters are not real.
Because the monsters are not real? That's why he called her?
Yes, mister.
Malik, why do you think that Drake Doyle called Nell Fossey? Why do you think that he called Nell? Why?
To come.
Very good.
To come over immediate.
To come over where?
And get rid of it.
To get where? To go where?
To come to him.
To come to him where? In his house?
No.
Where?
I will say it. Can I say it?
To come to him where exactly?
In the scientific technique.
Where exactly? Think hard, you will find it. Azzdin.
Gabby house. In Gabby house.
Amazing, very good. To meet him in Gabby's
House. house.
House. Why, Azadeen? Why will they meet there?
Because the monster is there.
Very good, because the monster is there. Very good. They will handle the monster, or they will deal with the monster. Amazing. Very good. Very, very good. Amazing. Thank you very much for that, Azadeen. Thank you, Yahya. Thank you, Malik. Really amazing, guys. Really amazing. Huh. Let's listen.
Right. Click. Nell was already waiting on Gabby's porch by the time Drake arrived. He wasn't surprised, as she was the fastest runner in the 5th grade. With her coffee-colored hair pulled back in a no-nonsense ponytail, her scientist cap shoved atop her head, and her mouth set in a firm line, she looked ready to take on this most difficult case. Afternoon, Scientist Nell. Afternoon, Detective Doyle. And so saying, Nell rapped sharply on the door. Inside Gabby's house, Gabby pointed to a dark corner of the garage. There, she whispered. There's the blood-sucking monster, inside that garbage can. Hurry!
Yahya, I have another question for you. Yahya? Yahya Mustafa. Oh, we have two Yahya Mustafas. Okay. Al-Bara. Al-Bara, are you there? Okay, so two are not there. Ahmed Usama?
Yes, Mister.
Ahmed, who arrived to Gabby's house first?
No,
Nell, why?
because she is the fastest girl in the 5th grade.
Very good. She's the fastest runner in 5th grade. Very good. Now, where is the monster in Gabby's house?
In the garage.
In the garage.
dark
Amazing.
corner.
Very good. What?
In the dark corner of the garage.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. It is in the dark corner of the garage. Amazing. Very good. So Gabby told them to get rid of Ahmed, I didn't finish. Why did you mute yourself?
I'm sorry. Yeah.
So Gabby said what?
Get rid of it before it eats us all.
Very good. To get rid of it before it eats us all. Ahmed, the garbage can was doing what? The garbage can was doing what? It was trembling, burbed and yerped, bleached and yelched.
Hurry! Get rid of it before it eats us all! Suddenly, the garbage can gasped. It trembled. It burped and yerped. It belched and yelched.
Very good. It belched and yelched. Amazing. I have some questions for you here. I don't know, Ahmed, really, why did you mute yourself? Really, I don't know why. Okay, just a minute. Here I have Abdurrahman.
Yes, Mister.
What is the meaning of fabulous?
What?
Fabulous.
I don't know.
Try to think of it. Now, do you think that Nell is pretty? Is she pretty or not?
Where is the fabulous?
Here. This girl is pretty or not? It is, right? Here.
Yes.
Yes, so fabulous can mean amazing or beautiful, right? Abdurrahman?
Yes.
Huh. Also, amateur means what?
Amateur.
Yes. Huh. You know it from the games. Huh. You know it from the games.
Amazing.
What? Huh? What does it mean?
Amazing.
Not exactly.
It means a meaning.
Huh? Not exactly. What do you think it
Good.
means? Huh?
Good.
Good, maybe. Huh? Omar Hisham.
Yes, master.
What do you think the word amateur means?
What?
Amateur. What do you think the word amateur means? You know, when you go to any game, to any solo game, you will find the levels amateur, normal, and professional. Amateur, normal, and professional. So amateur here means beginning. Very good. Amateur means beginner. Means
Beginner.
beginner. Very good. So what is the opposite of it? The opposite of beginner is a pro. Yes, professional or a pro. Very good. Very, very good. Huh? What do you think, Omar Hisham, the word genius means? Huh? Or rookie. Very good, Muhammad Taha. Amateur. Amateur means rookie also. Huh? Genius means what, Omar Hisham? Muhammad Mahmoud?
A genius means smart.
Very good. It means very smart. Amazing. Very good. What is the opposite of genius?
Crazy.
No. Someone is smart and the other one is what?
Stupid.
Amazing. Very good. So someone is smart and the other one is stupid. Very, very good, Muhammad. Thank you for your help. You saved me a lot of troubles. Very good. Now, Muhammad Majid,
Yes, mister.
why Frisco and Gabby might be eaten by a monster if Gabby called Frisco?
Because Frisco is a bad scientist.
Very good. And does he follow the rules?
No, he doesn't follow the
No,
rules.
very good. So because he doesn't follow the rules, he might open
The can.
the can. Very good. And the monster will eat him
And the others.
and Gabby. Very good. The others is Gabby, just one. And
Yeah, I don't. I forget.
yes, and Gabby. Very good. Now I have another question for you.
Okay.
Is Drake a professional scientist?
Yes.
No, he's an amateur.
Amateur.
He's an amateur scientist. Can you see it?
Yes.
Is he professional?
He is.
Is he
Amateur
professional
means,
or an amateur?
Amateur.
An amateur. Very good. But he's not a pro. He's an amateur. But he is what?
Amateur means beginner.
Very
Amateur
good. He's a
means
beginner. But
beginner.
he's a what? He's what?
A good scientist.
Yeah, he's a good scientist. And he has a what? He is what? He is
Genius.
a genius. Very good.
Genius means smart.
Very
Smart.
good. Smart. So he is an amateur scientist, but he is very, very
Smart.
smart.
Genius.
Very good. He is very good.
Amateur and genius means beginner, but he is smart.
Very good. Amateur means beginner, but genius means smart.
Smart.
Amazing. Very, very good. Amazing. Really amazing. Thank you all for this period. It was an amazing period. Okay. And I hope you have understood everything. I love you guys very much and thank you for attending this class. Bye.